How to blur a part of video in CapCut in your PC. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open CapCut application in your PC. Once you open the CapCut, you simply want to go ahead and import a video and then drag it to your timeline. So go ahead and tap onto the video, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And once you have copied the video and pasted, you simply want to go ahead and tap on Effects. In the search bar, search for Blur. And once you search for it, select any one of them. So right now I'm going to be using this one. Drag it and place it into the first video. And as you can see that the effect has been applied. So from here, you want to go ahead and tap on the overlay video. And then under video, tap on mask and then select rectangle or circle. So I'm going to be choosing rectangle right over here. And once you choose it, adjust it. And then tap on this icon that says reverse. And just like so, that very part of video has been now blurred. That is simply how to blur a part of video in CapCut. And that ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. And stay tuned until our next upload.